So I didn't have an alarm, but the fucking sirens just went off. And it went for a very long time. That scared me a little. I woke up and I'm like, fuck, okay, I've got to get into action. But it's just a fucking fire brigade alarm. I searched it up. So I was just like, what the fuck, man? Just wake me up.
So yeah, today I don't have anything planned, mainly due for the fact, well I had stuff planned, but I've decided to give it a miss just due to the main factor of fuel. Fuel is expensive here, it is not fucking cheap to travel. So I've decided to move that to maybe to tomorrow. So the things that I have planned involve a lot of walking. So today I was going to go to a park near Mount Plymouth, I'm probably saying that wrong, like everything, and then the Goblin Forest, and then the either Three Sisters or whatever the fuck it was called, or the Elephant Rocks. I was going to go check that out today, but mainly for petty, I'm not going to. It's like 3.5 hours away, which will be a full tank there and back. It's too expensive. So I might move some of it to tomorrow, where I'm going to hike Mount Taranaki. Saying that wrong too, probably. Alongside maybe some of those things, depending on the weather and how I go for fuel and money. So those sirens that I heard this morning, they very much sound like the movie sirens when a tsunami or a tornado is coming, or just something very big. So imagine that going for longer than 30 seconds. It scared me a bit because I'm thinking, fucking great, I'm trying to wake up and get out of bed, and then I'm like, nah, I'm going to research this, make sure there's no severe like weather warnings, which there wasn't, which was good. And in saying that, I got information on what it was, which is just a volunteering fire brigade, just siren for when the pages aren't working, so it wakes up the whole damn neighborhood. Love that. It's very fucking cold. Today is a cold day. It's currently, I think, 5 or 6 degrees. So I'm rugged up. I had to rug up extremely last night. I put like 3 layers top-wise. I've got a thermal underneath. I've got my pajama top, which is long sleeve, and a jumper. Then I got this on. I got 2 pairs of pants on. I got my tights that I was wearing yesterday and my pajama pants. Then I also have 3 pairs of socks. So normal socks, fluffy socks, and then another set of fluffy socks. It is still fucking cold. So, and I'm not even in the South Island yet. Plus it was snowing yesterday. That was pretty cool. That was my first time seeing snow ever. But yeah, so today's a very chill day. Just gonna focus on editing. And then I've got the Mount Taranaki hike tomorrow, and maybe some other things. So we'll see how we go. It is snowing every now and then, so we'll just go with the flow, I suppose. But yeah, I hope you're all doing well at home. But yeah, bye.
That came out of nowhere. It was sunny 5 minutes ago, and now it's like this, and the van's moving with the wind. That's crazy. And now it's fucking sunny. What the fuck? What the fuck? And there's blue skies, bro. Is it behind? What the fuck?
So this was just up the road near the gas station. I had to stop and take a video. It's so pretty. While I was up at that gas station, it's like a mini grocery store, so I got potatoes, carrots, and some steak for dinner.
Wow.
So this was just a rest day. No activities, no nothing apart from just cooking dinner. And that was all for my day 10.